Unity National Bank has been in this community for nearly 58 years now. It has been a staple in this community since 1963, and there were lines around the block with individuals coming to make their deposit and to open up their accounts here. And we continue to be the staple in this community. Unity Bank is in a historical African American community that is surrounded by small and medium-sized businesses. Many of them are generational. Being able to serve our small businesses and to be able to connect our small businesses to resources is so important to Unity. They're the anchor of our communities. They're the driver of our economy, and often our small businesses in Black and Brown communities often struggle with access to capital. So Unity has always been so focused on making sure that our small businesses are able to come to us for loans. Our bankers provide one-on-one coaching and mentoring, which is really, really important. We do financial education because we want to make sure that we're preparing our businesses for the future and not just looking at what may be their immediate need, but how can we help them grow?
The bank serves the local community today in many capacities. One is lending to the local community. Lending helps to gain access to capital, help businesses survive, pay their employees, expand. And then one of the most important aspects is the financial literacy, understanding the change in technology and banking and helping the businesses understand the changing environment in terms of money and borrowing and the cost. What empowering change is allowing us to do is to remain here as a pillar, is helping us to survive as an MDI so that we can continue to provide lending services to the communities here.
When you have a small bank like Unity, we have limited resources, so we have limited access that we can provide. The more opportunities we have, as with this partnership with JP Morgan and Empowering Change, it creates the catalyst that we needed in order to be able to up our game and to be able to provide more into the community, deploy more assets, be able to drive more conversations and to help our existing small businesses and families really move to the next level.
With Empowering Change, Unity National Bank of Houston will be able to expand into communities that we have been unable to serve until now, and ensure that the bank will continue to be present in the community to continue to service our low and moderate income clients.
Long-term benefits of the program is us Unity being a mentee of JP Morgan, learning more about products that we could bring into the community in order to empower the community. I think that's the long-term effect, and all is going to make us a better bank and be more tuned in to the community to bring about these changes, empowering them.
This has been a remarkable year working with JP Morgan and being a part of Empowering Change. I can't believe how far we've come. I can't believe the wonderful people that we have been able to work with. And I'm looking forward to what next year is going to look like and building upon this relationship and doing even more with JP Morgan.